I am strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. Ephesians 6:10. I am courageous because God goes before me and stands beside me. Deuteronomy 31:6. I am confident because the Lord is my helper and defender. Psalm 118:6. I am unshaken because my faith is rooted in the rock that cannot be moved. Psalm 62:6. I am fearless because perfect love casts out all fear. 1 John 4:18. I am bold as a lion because righteousness lives in me. Proverbs 28:1. I am clothed with strength and dignity, and I laugh without fear of the future. Proverbs 31:25. I am victorious because Christ lives in me. 1 Corinthians 15:57. I am not intimidated by challenges, for God's power is made perfect in my weakness. 2 Corinthians 12:9. I am equipped for every battle because the Lord trains my hands for war and my fingers for battle. Psalm 144, verse 1. I am confident that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. I am strong because the joy of the Lord is my strength. Nehemiah 8:10. I am courageous because God has not given me a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and sound mind. 2 Timothy 1:7. I am fearless in the face of adversity because God fights for me. Exodus 14:14. I am secure and unafraid because the Lord is my refuge and my fortress. Psalm 91, verse 2. I am steady under pressure because my peace comes from God, not circumstances. John 14:27. I am relentless in faith because God's promises never fail. Joshua 21:45. I am unstoppable because the Spirit that raised Jesus from the dead lives in me. Romans 8:11. I am bold to speak truth and walk in purpose because God is with me. Jeremiah 1:8. I am strengthened daily by God's mighty hand. Isaiah 41:10. I am rising above fear, doubt, and discouragement through faith. Isaiah 40:31. I am built to endure hardship with grace and power. 2 Corinthians 4:8-9. I am brave enough to face the unknown because God directs my steps. Proverbs 16:9. I am confident that no weapon formed against me will prosper. Isaiah 54:17. I am more than a conqueror through him who loves me. Romans 8:37.